Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix automation that's not working in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Automation and then Rules. Open the automation rule that's causing the issue. The first thing to check is whether the automation rule is active. If it's disabled or paused, enable it and save your changes. Next, review the trigger. Make sure you've selected the correct trigger, such as a form submission, product purchase, tag added, or contact created. Then verify that the trigger event is actually happening. If the trigger never occurs, the automation won't start. Now check the action connected to your automation. Make sure you've selected the correct action, such as subscribing the contact to a campaign, adding a tag, enrolling them in a course, or sending an email. If your automation depends on tags, campaigns, or courses, confirm that those items still exist and are configured correctly. Also review your funnel or form settings to make sure contacts are entering the automation as expected. After making any changes, click Save. Finally, test the automation using a new email address. Complete the trigger action and verify that the automation runs successfully. If everything works correctly, your automation issue has been resolved. That's it. You've successfully fixed an automation that's not working in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.